Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly.
So today we are going to see about the book reading and book exercise and 5 subject note writing. Okay, let us read. And already we finished to read up to the page number 46, isn't it? And now all of you take down your book and turn the page number 47 and see the top one. And listen carefully and you should read what I read. Okay. Father Wolf said to Mother Wolf, "The cub must be shown to the pack. Only they can tell us if he can live with us." "Okay," she said, smiling at the baby. "Let's call him Mowgli. Let's call him Mowgli." The baby smiled back at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. Baloo, the brown bear, and Bagheera, the wise panther, were also there. Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. The leader of the wolf pack asked, "Should the man cub stay with us? Should the man cub stay with us?" Baloo said, "Yes, I will teach him all about the jungle." Then Bagheera spoke, "Yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack. Yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack." The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera, and that is how Mowgli became a part of the wolf family. And this story adapted from the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling, isn't it? Students, next all of you turn the page number 48 and see the first book exercise A. Tick the correct option. When Mowgli saw Father Wolf and Mother Wolf for the first time, he did? Yes, started crying, laughed, play with some rocks. In this, which one is correct? Yes, when he saw the first time and Mowgli laughed, isn't it? So, should tick the second one. Sher Khan wanted to dash. What did he want? Yes, kill Mowgli, live with Mowgli, return Mowgli to his human parents. In this, which one is correct? Yes, kill Mowgli, isn't it? Mowgli was named by his human parents, the wolf pack, Mother Wolf. Which one is correct? Mother Wolf. Which two animals spoke to let Mowgli be a part of the wolf pack? Which animals spoke? Which two animals spoke to let Mowgli be a part of the wolf pack? In this, which two animals? Bagheera and Baloo, isn't it? And Father Wolf and Mother Wolf, the leader of the wolf pack, Bagheera the panther, and Baloo the bear. Yes, Bagheera the panther and Baloo the bear. And this is the correct one, isn't it? And see in the question, answer the questions. You should write the two questions in the far note And why did Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decide to keep Mowgli? And what he did to decide? Because they wanted a man cub in their family, because they wanted to save him from Sher Khan, because they wanted to make Sher Khan angry. Yes, second one is the correct answer. So you should tick the second one. And turn the next page, 49, the fourth one. The cub must be shown to the pack. Who say this line? Who is the cub here? Yes, who's this? Who say this line? Father Wolf, isn't it? Father Wolf only say this line. And who's the cub here? Man's cub, that is Mowgli, that is human baby, isn't it? And what is the pack? Yes, pack is the wolf of the jungle, all the wolves of the jungle, isn't it? And okay. And sixth one, why? Which of these are true about baby Mowgli? And tick all correct answers. Tick the which one is correct answer. Okay. And see, Mowgli got easily scared. Mowgli was a happy child. Mowgli missed his parents. Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. Okay, in this which one is correct? Yes, B is the correct, and also Mowgli. Isn't it? Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. Always he laughed. Okay. And this is the grammar portion we should see in the separate class. Okay, preposition we should see in the separate class. And now all of you see, turn the page number 52 and see here and read this sentence. Mother Wolf leaped forward, and here leaped the movement of the wolf. And many animals have different movement, isn't it? And birds have different movements, snake has different movement, and each animal has different movement, isn't it? So let us see what are the movements name. The name of the movements, animal movements. And see here, read these words and that tell us how different animals move. Animal movement words. And these are the animal movement words. Crawl, to move forward on hands and knees with the body close to the ground. And crawl, which are the animals crawl? Insects, lizards, crocodiles, isn't it? These animals movement is crawl. And gallop, to run very fast in a way that at some point the feet are off the ground. And horses gallop, and horses, some deer, isn't it? Yes, they are, the movement of is gallop. Slither, to move forward with the body touching the ground. Snake slither, yes, snakes, centipede, multipede, and these animals movement is gallop, isn't it? And see, these animals movement is slither, and horses only gallop. Swing, and the next movement name is swing. To move backwards or forwards from side to side while hanging. So hanging position. And which animals hanging position? Monkeys, isn't it? Monkeys only always hanging. So that is the movement. So that movement name is swing. Flutter. Flutter, to move lightly and quickly. Flutter means fly. Flutter means fly. They use the wings. So that is flutter. The bird, a bird or an insect flutters. It also flutters with its wings. Okay. And these are the animals' movement names. Crawl, gallop, slither, swing, flutter. And next one. Choose the correct words from above to complete these sentences. The butterflies dash from one flower to another. What is the movement of butterflies? Yes, flutter. So all the bird and insects use The movement name is flutter. So F-L-U-T-T-E-R, flutter. The horses dash in the field. Horses means you must write the gallop. G-A-L-L-O-P. You already studied in the science, isn't it? Yes. The snakes. Snakes. What is the movement of snakes? Slither. This also is studied in the science portion, isn't it? Slither. And the monkeys. Monkeys always hanging. So this is the movement of the monkey is swing. And the spiders. So the spider is the insect. But it didn't have any wings. So it is move like crawl, isn't it? So the movement of spider, crawl. It used to forward with the hands and knees, isn't it? And the next one. And see the page number 53. Here listening. And the heading is listen to all new things Mowgli learned in the jungle. Who taught these to Mowgli? And Mowgli do some actions. And these actions, which one taught? Let us find out. Okay. And first one is Balu, isn't it? And bear name is Balu. You should write the Balu. And see here, what is the which one? Sorry. And bear, which thing is like very much in these three words? Which thing the Balu like? Is it able to climb or here? And or like honey? Yes, this one. And Balu always like honey. So Balu taught Mowgli to eat how to eat the honey. So it should match with the third one. Use scale. Okay. And the second one is Father Wolf. Here who is this? Father Wolf. And here Father Wolf. And which is in this two, which is the Father Wolf taught? Yes, it is able to climb or it is able to hear. Yes, wolf always hearing knowledge is very sharply. So, has sharpen hearing knowledge. So, he taught the hearing, how to hear the from the animals. So, and the last one is Bahira. So, write the spelling B-A-G-H-E-E-R-A. Bahira, and only one is exception, that is the climbing. So, always Bahira action is climbing. So, climbing on the tree. So, Bahira taught the Mowgli to climb in each tree. Okay. And turn the page number 54 and complete the 3 lines each about these characters from the story. And you should write 3 lines about the characters of the Mowgli, Sher Khan and Wolf, Mother Wolf. And Mowgli is who is this? Yes, Mowgli is a human baby, isn't it? Mowgli is a human baby. And he lived with the wolves, isn't it? That is the pack of wolf family. So with the wolf pack, we should write the wolf pack. Okay. And next, he is very happy boy, isn't it? He is a always happy boy. Okay, let us see the next two three sentences. The next one is Sher Khan is a tiger. He is angry. He wants to kill Mowgli. He wants to kill Mowgli. K-I-L-L, kill. Mother Wolf has 4 cubs. Mother Wolf has 4 cubs. She is not afraid of Sher Khan. She gives Mowgli his name. She gives Mowgli his name. Okay. And up to this is the last page of in this lesson, lesson 6. And we should finish that one. So you should finish the up to last page, that is 54. And this is your assignment work. You should finish these pages. And don't finish the page number 50 and 51. And this D is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer. Okay. And this is your assignment work. Now all of you take down your 5-subject note, second term 5-subject note, and write today's date 12/1/21. Answer 7th Roman letter. Answer the following. Why was Sher Khan the tiger angry? Why was Sher Khan the tiger angry? Sher Khan the tiger was angry. Sher Khan the tiger was angry because he couldn't. And if you say could not is correct one, and the couldn't is also correct one. Couldn't, and this one is could not means you should write NOT, and this is apostrophe s comma, and that is couldn't. He couldn't find the human baby because he couldn't find the human baby. Okay, and second one. According to Sher Khan, what happened to Mowgli's parent? According to Sher Khan, what happened to Mowgli's parent? So, Mowgliயோட parent என்ன ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்லி ஷேர் கான் என்ன சொல்லிச்சு? ஸோ எல்லாரும் என்ன செஞ்சிட்டாங்க? அவங்க எல்லாம் அந்த குட்டி பையனை விட்டுட்டு ஓடிட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சும்மா நாத்துக்கு சொல்லிச்சு. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ஆன்சர். ஷேர் கான் told the wolves that Sher Khan told the wolves that Mowgli's parents had run away. Mowgli's parents had run away. Okay, this is the second one. And the next one. How do we know Mowgli was happy to be among them? How do we know Mowgli was happy to be among them? So, Mowgli வந்து ஹாப்பியாக இருந்துச்சு நம்ம எப்படி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு? ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? He laughed at them and played with rocks. So, always the Mowgli laughed and always played with some rocks, isn't it? Or stones. And he laughed at them and played with rocks. Okay. And the fourth one. What did Sher Khan want? What did Sher Khan want? Sher Khanக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு சொல்லி அது விரும்பிச்சு. Yes, அதுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? Sher Khan wanted to kill Mowgli. Yes. Sher Khan wanted to kill Mowgli. Okay, up to 4 questions you should write in your 5-second term 5-subject note. Okay. And this is also your assignment work. Just only four questions only. 4 questions and answer. This is your today's assignment work. Thank you. Students, all of you, take down your English handwriting note and write today's date 12/1/21. 12/1/21. You little drops of rain. You little drops of rain. And this is you write in your English handwriting note. And again you take down your make sentence note. Write today's date. Today's make sentence words are run, hear, live. Run, you should write one sentence for run in your own way. Okay. And hear, live. And many of them not write these 5-subject note, these 4-line note as well as make sentence note. All are must finish the 4-line note and make sense note. We should be submit at last in our school. So all are must finish the 4-line note and make sense note. And also you should take photo these copies also. Okay. And one more thing, I'll ask questions from make sense. These make sense words are okay in the Google time. Okay, all are must write the 4-line note as well as make sense note. Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you for watching.